Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, let's look at the pineapple lily. It's so fabulous, the Eucomis family. But did you know it's actually related to asparagus? Who knew? The name comes from looking like the top of a pineapple. Each floret, a tiny little star. Super long lasting. Just give it a cut and place it in fresh water with flower food, and you can often get 7 to 10 days. It's a beautiful line flower, or use it for the emphasis. Either way, the pineapple lily is sure to be a favorite. Now you know a little more about a fabulous flower.